What's going on, guys? So welcome back here again today. Hope you guys are all doing great. I'm just enjoying the weather. Today's just a beautiful morning. The other day was just raining crazy. I got my coffee. You guys saw in that clip. It took a little while to make that clip actually, but I'm more and more I try to improve into the content, create more and more. And so yeah, today's topic, I just wanted to keep everything really short today. Just really want to talk a lot about goal settings. I usually in the morning or even the day before, I usually set a lot of micro goals. So guys, so I find a lot of millennials actually struggle a lot with bouncing back, getting hit. What I mean by that is not physically, but actually mentally. Whereas like a lot of criticism comes our way, and usually we take a hit like that, and we mope, we feel sorry for ourselves, and I find that we struggle a lot with that. I feel like, you know, after being sheltered growing up by our parents and all that such, like we have not had the proper mechanisms to deal with these kind of criticisms growing up. So because like that, a lot of people just usually whenever they get their first hit by authorities, you know, someone, our bosses or whatever, give us a little like critiquing, and we take it to heart, and we want to quit right away. And so I find a lot of millennials struggle with that. And usually if you can find the way by setting your goals to go and move yourself and pick yourself back up, and bouncing back is what helps for me personally as well too, actually. And I find that setting goals and very easy micro goals, and then even if I don't hit it, I usually reset new ones and reflect on why I haven't hit it. These are really great examples on how to do that. But yeah, so setting yourself micro goals and setting yourself goals where you're able to go and hit and move on forward. But like, you gotta have the mindset, right? The mindset that, yo, okay, I got this criticism, what can I do with it, what can we do, and then how can we repair it, and let's go fix it and let's move on forward. So again, what I usually do is set up goals, very easy task goals, even focusing a lot on 1%. I carry that philosophy a lot wherever I go. So if you want to start a business, what do you need to do right away? Instagram handle, let's create that. That is the 1%, right? So I have a few easy steps for you guys to check out here to read and just kind of know about. So number one, just setting very simple goals. If you're looking to start a business, what is the most minimal viable option that you can take to go and build that, you know, business of yours? So is it logo making? If the logo's too hard, bring it down. Instagram handle, let's create your Instagram handle around that business. Website design, it could be anything like that, right? What is the business model? Figure out how that works, right? Seeing it and testing it, see if it works, right? Before you shell out a lot of money, you figure out how you can get like a few clients that you can pick up, right? How can you go and build that business? Setting these micro goals, and then if you can't hit these goals, it's okay to go and reshape back and then jump back in again and then go on forward. I hope that helps you with me, because like for me, it definitely does. Like whenever I set out goals to go and build and make YouTube channels, I usually set a deadline, non-negotiable, has to be Sunday, has to be uploaded, and then whatever time frame within the week, I have to record this and then go and build it, right? What am I recording throughout the week, right? What am I recording that like a little bike scene that I had, right? Usually I think a lot about these kind of things when you're outlining it. It would take a week or so just to finally get one episode up and running. And so these are micro goals that I think about, because like if I can't hit that and I'm spiraling personally for myself, I figure out how to pick back up again and go on forward and then get out there and then do my best, right? It's all about bouncing back as quickly as possible, right? I know a lot of millennials struggle with that, and this has helped me, and I hope this has helped you as well too. So setting these micro goals, and then again, if you can't hit it, reset it, go back and repeat over and over and over again. So anyways, guys, I hope that really helps you. I will see you guys later. I am working really hard to put out 2 episodes a week, and then we're gonna get that started, guys. Hope you guys have a great one. Happy Sunday. Take care, guys.